Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome for the first time. My name is Dana, and today we are going to be talking about some of my favorite drugstore shampoo and conditioners for curly, wavy hair. Originally, I was going to make this into like a full drugstore favorites, but I have to split it up into categories because there are just too many good products. If you enjoy reviews of drugstore products, give this video a thumbs up. Or if you just really like my content, a thumbs up really helps me out a lot. So I really appreciate that. And while you're there, if you want to hit the subscribe button, and also follow me on Instagram at Dana Gagliotti as well, so you guys can keep up with me. So I've rounded up my favorite shampoos, conditioners, and masks from the drugstore that I think you guys will really like. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to split this up by brand, but for the first brand, I wasn't sure if I wanted to include it. It's only sold at Target, so I feel like it's technically a drugstore product, but it is a little bit on the pricier side for drugstore. I've talked about some of these products before, and they are the Kristen S products. So I do have a video reviewing some of them. If you haven't seen that, I will link that. Let's start off with the fragrance free line. So here I have the Daily Cleansing Shampoo. To me, this is a perfect daily cleanser. Now, I don't wash my hair every day, but it's gentle enough where if I had to wash my hair every day, I could. I didn't actually necessarily purchase this because I wanted something fragrance free. I just heard that this was a good product, and yeah, it is really nice. It's not drying. It cleanses your hair nice. It does lather if you like something that lathers. It is, let me see, fragrance, sulfate, paraben, phthalates, silicones, and gluten-free. So if you are following the CG method, actually, let me get that out of the way now. I want to say that all of these products are CG approved, just in case you do follow that fully. If you are sensitive to fragrance, this is going to be a great option for you. Or if you're like me and you don't really care either way, this is just an overall really nice shampoo. Also from the fragrance-free line, I have the Deep Treatment Mask. This is definitely a little bit more on the pricey side for a deep conditioner from the drugstore. You're only getting 6.7 ounces, and some of the other hair masks that I have here are almost double or double the size of this one, and this is the most expensive. A little bit does go a long way, so it's not like you're gonna blow through this very quickly, which is what I thought I would. But this is so hydrating without leaving any residue on your hair. It doesn't make it feel weighed down. I feel like I'm getting hydration from like inside out, you know, instead of just like coating your hair. This really feels like it is nourishing it. I leave this on anywhere from like 3 minutes to 10 minutes if I have the time, but I love this mask. This, I think, is my current favorite mask from the drugstore. I do have some other cheaper options as well, but I think this one is like my number one right now. And then Kristen S also makes my favorite clarifying shampoo from the drugstore. So this is the micellar shampoo. I like the smell of this. It's nice and refreshing. This really does break up oil and dirt on your scalp, and it cleanses your hair really nicely without stripping it. I feel like a good clarifying shampoo was something that the drugstore was lacking, but this has definitely filled that void for me. Next, moving on to Garnier. You guys know that I am a huge fan of their masks. This one is the aloe extract, also the avocado one. These two are my favorites. These, to me, are like the best value deep conditioners. They are CG friendly, they're hydrating. You get 13.5 ounces for, I want to say this is under $10. It's like $6-7 bucks. This one is definitely a little more weightless than the avocado one. That one is definitely more hydrating and smoothing. This one is still going to give you hydration, but with like a little less heaviness than the avocado one does. For that reason, I've been gravitating more towards the aloe line lately. Because I like that so much, I did end up trying the shampoo and conditioner from the aloe line, and these did not disappoint either. I will say I don't see much of a difference between these two, but I don't think you need both of them. But the shampoo, again, is hydrating without feeling heavy. It cleans my hair nice. I do really like the scent of these products as well. Pretty much every product that I've tried so far from them in these lines has been really good. Another shampoo and conditioner duo that I have talked about before as well is the Maui Moisture Lightweight Hydration Hibiscus Water Shampoo and Conditioner. I really love the feeling of like soft product-free hair. If you've watched any other of my videos, you guys know that. So these, first of all, the scent is so good. Again, this is a hydrating formula that cleans my hair really well. It lathers. If that is something that you like, I kind of am partial to a little bit of a lather now. The conditioner is also really nice. This has great slip for detangling. It also hydrates your hair without that heavy feeling. I just also love like the color of these bottles, makes me really happy, and the scent is amazing. I also do have a mask from Maui Moisture that I really like. This is the Detoxifying Volcanic Ash Scalp Care Mask. Do I notice scalp benefits from this? No, but it is a very nice hydrating. It's definitely a thicker mask. This is just so heavy. Like, this is not falling out. This is like thick. It really is intensely hydrating. I don't know if I noticed like the detoxifying benefits. They say that it's supposed to like pull impurities from your hair. I mean, I can't speak to all of that, but I do know that my hair is very soft and shiny after using it. So let's move on to Not Your Mother's. I know everyone loves the Curl Talk line. Not really a fan. I did a video review on that if you are interested in checking it out, but I do think Not Your Mother's makes other good products. There are a few that I like. I actually don't have them on hand right now because I did gift them. My favorite shampoo and conditioner line from Not Your Mother's is the Activated Bamboo Charcoal and Purple Moonstone. This range is definitely my favorite. It smells nice. It's a good like basic shampoo conditioner. It's hydrating, cleanses well. Like, it's just a good go-to. I also really love the conditioner for the amount of slip that it has. It's really good for detangling. It's thick, like pretty thick for a daily conditioner, so I do like that about this line as well. I also really have been liking the Sicilian Blood Orange and Black Currant Butter Mask. Also the Green Apple Butter Mask. I don't have that one. I think it's like Green Apple Matcha. That is another fantastic one. I am partial to this one only because it is in a tube, so it just makes it a lot easier while I'm in the shower. This is a very, very thick, buttery, hydrating mask that does not leave my hair feeling heavy or anything, so I'm still getting that like really intense moisturization that I need without having any like residue left over. All right, moving on to some tresemme. I have not talked about tresemme on my channel for a while. This was newer when I picked it up a while ago. I've been using it, forgot to talk about it, but this is a Pro Pure shampoo and the Pro Pure conditioner. So this is light moisture, which I love, I'm all about. I was really, really surprised by how much I liked these. Not that I don't like products from Tresemme, but nothing like ever blows me away where I like see it and I'm like, ooh, I need to buy it. I'm not sure why these are the products to suck me in, but they are awesome. I feel like a broken record because there's like only so many good things to say about shampoo and conditioners. I'm running out of ways to describe these things at this point, but they're hydrating, they cleanse well, the shampoo lathers well, I think they smell nice. They can be a little bit overpowering. I like the scent though, so use your discretion on that. The conditioner also is great for detangling, good slip. So I've been really pleasantly surprised by these, and they have been in rotation a lot for me lately. All right, lastly, I've got a shampoo and a conditioning treatment from two separate brands. Let's start off with the shampoo. I have talked about this before. This is the Shea Moisture Green Coconut and Activated Charcoal Purifying and Hydrating Shampoo. So I do have a video on this line from Shea Moisture. I just opened this. This was a backup that I had previously when I was like cleaning out my closet, and I totally forgot that I bought this, and I started using it again, and I just remembered why it was so good. How do I explain this? It's intensely hydrating, but still cleanses really well. Like, your scalp feels very clean, but hydrated at the same time. The conditioner is also good, but it's not one of my favorites, so I didn't want to include it in this, but this is a very thick shampoo. But with a lot of the Shea Moisture products, I do find that even like their products are very rich, but they like stay heavy in my hair. This does not. I really like a lot of the products from this range. I feel like a lot of people don't. I don't really hear people talk about it too much. I don't know if I'm alone in that, but if generally Shea Moisture products are a little bit heavy for your hair, check out this shampoo. It is fantastic, especially if you have dry or damaged hair. It's so wonderful. All right, and then last but not least, this is, again, a newer product. I did mention this in, I think, my last curly hair video, curly hair routine, but this is the 8-second Wonder Water. This is some like weird ass magic I don't understand. You just make your nose close. You just kind of like apply it over the length of your hair. I also do like bring it up a little bit as well. You leave it in for 8 seconds. You feel this like warming sensation happening. You rinse it out. Your hair literally feels like freaking silk, and I don't understand it. This is the ultimate, like, I will not weigh your hair down conditioner. I can even layer this with a regular conditioner or a deep conditioner as like an extra added boost. I do like to do that when I clarify my hair, but just like on a regular day, I can use this on its own. I did already purchase a backup of this because I'm getting to the bottom here, and like this is, I can't, I don't know. This is like the best $8 I've ever spent. All right guys, so that is going to wrap up my favorite shampoo, conditioners, and masks from the drugstore. I want to hear what your favorites are from the drugstore, so be sure to comment down below. I feel like the drugstore has really been doing a good job lately. Like they've been killing it with hair products. So I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day, an amazing rest of your week. Stay safe. Love you all, and I'll see you next time.